Welcome to the 7th South African TB Conference that took place in Durban in September 2022, where ETTI presented Airborne IPC workshop, with presentations in the morning, followed by hands-on exercises that allowed participants to learn about UVGI maintenance, ventilation parameters, and biosafety cabinets, respiratory protection, and optimization of patient flow in the healthcare facilities.
So we're here today to sponsor this workshop on TB infection control and really trying to put the things that we've probably all heard before, the hierarchy of controls, administrative, environmental, PPE.
As a program, we've been driving TB infection control for a number of years now, and it hasn't quite taken off, which means there probably is something wrong that we're doing.
So we need to design it safe from the start.
Be prepared for TB, COVID, and next airborne pathogens.
The reality is often that team has no IPC coordinator in, or the IPC coordinator's voice is really soft and no one listens. But the reality, that person has a really big responsibility.
You know, the question, how much ventilation is enough? It's never enough. Okay. If we were ventilating at 2 million air changes per hour, that's what our healthcare facilities would look like.
You never put a cabinet in a high traffic area. You put it in the corner of a lab, never where people are going to be walking past.
Step will be head, turning head side to side. 10 more. So nurse or doctor or technicians, they make different kind of movements. So we have to provoke any unfit condition.
So that blue glow is just blue light. It's not UV. It's not the good stuff. UV is invisible, so you can't see it with your eyes.
There's my building. All this air is going up through here. And I've got an outside courtyard.
I think we must just close this facility.
All participants enjoyed the workshop and shared lots of positive feedback.
I think from my side, the groups were very useful, giving the practical aspect. And maybe for some sessions, I think, for example, for me, the one that was on the design and flow needed a bit more time to understand, because I think that's our main challenge, right?
So it is very much needed, and it was designed in a very simple manner and easy for us to understand and very practical. I think, like someone said, that we never stop to learn.
You can find lectures and exercises of the workshop on the ETTI website.